just for people out there that are like me before I traveled to Europe and never heard of VAT or sold on in any marketplaces over there, it stands for value added tax. And the simplest way I can put it is it's kind of like a national sales tax. Instead of having individual states with all their crazy numbers, it's a national sales tax is probably the best way to put it. I mean, it's not exactly that, but and that number is collected on everything that's sold except for certain categories. As you mentioned, there's like basically a thought is like you don't want to charge new parents that are struggling to support their family for baby clothing, for instance. And so they, who knows, the good lobbying happens over in the UK as well. And some of these categories get X'd out, and obviously people that sell baby clothing are thrilled. But for the most part, almost everything that's sold in Europe really has a VAT. Most countries have adopted this model over there. So at least that way people that are wondering what we're talking about at least now know.